Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Speakers. Speaker, the screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Can you read the problem?
Map 0 to 1 knapsack problem.
Zero by one knapsack problem, right?
Hmm.
Right. Okay, you can able to see the screen. First, I will explain an example which is from textbook. Then I will explain the concept and one different model of examples. Speaker, you can able to see the screen once again? Speaker.
Sir, కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
Okay, I think all of you know the what is the knapsack problem. So knapsack problem is a special problem which is generally used to fill the all objects or all items with respect to maximum profit. So in the greedy method also we solved the knapsack problem. It is different from the this dynamic problem. The concept is same, the problem is same, but in this we can't include the partial product. That means it is called as the 0 by 1 knapsack but not fractional knapsack. 0 by 1 knapsack means whether we can able to include the object or not, but not fractional. That is the problem. Suppose take this problem if the n is equal to 3, that means n items we have, that the 3 objects we have to include into the knapsack with respect to weights and profits with a back capacity of 6. Check this one. Weights are 2, 3, 4. Profits are 1, 2, 5. These are all the resources with maximum capacity is 6. That is, in this we have to use the one formula, that is, check this one. Here I is the item number. I is the item number. So here W is the weight object. P is the profit or V. P or V. So we have to check the previous object which is included from including object by comparing those. Get the we will pick the object which is the which provides the maximum profit. Based on that, we have to pick the all items to fill the map. That is main. So initially take an empty bag. Initially take the empty bag with profit fee corresponding weight W of subset. So this type of knapsack provides 2 for n subset of sets. So initially S power 0 means empty bag. Empty bag profit is 0, weight is 0. Take one empty bag. Initial step. So we have total 3 objects. We have total 3 objects with 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 5. Right. So in this, I need to fill the 3 objects. From this, first I have to choose the first object on this bag. I can able to choose two waves, either include or not include. Include, not include. So include or not include. If include, what is the weight? What is profit and weight? So what is the first object? Profit is 1 and corresponding weight is 2. First object is this one. If include that object in the bag, then I will get the solution like this. If not include, I will get the this one. So only two chances are there that we combined, and we will get that the end of first bag. If we may include, may not include. If we include, we will get the 1 comma 2. If not include, we will get the same profit. So at the end of first step, it has total two solutions. So these two solutions keep in the table. At the end of the first object, we will get the two solution, that is either 0 0 1 comma 2. So that is two possibilities are there. This is the 0 0 or 1 comma 2. Only two possibilities are these two possibilities. So this is the first step. So the upper including of the first object is almost all completed. I have to focus on the second object. So next I will focus on the second object with profit is 2 and is 3. 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. So on the 3 already you have two feasible solutions. These are, one is the 0 0, one more is the 1 comma 2. So on that I can able to perform again two options. That means either include or not include. Either include or not include. That is two possibilities are again there. So if we not include, that means the object is not include. So on first object, that is 0 means not include, then you will get the same feasible solutions. 0 0 1 comma 2, 0 0 1 comma 2. If include the second object, that is second object on, this is the one status means including on first object, simply we add that value 2 comma 3 to this. If I add this 2 comma 3 to this one, 0 plus 2 is 2, 3. If you add the second, then we will get this one. So it means by including these two objects on the previous two solutions, I will get two more extra solutions, and not include, then I will get two more solutions. By combining these two, and four feasible solutions are available at the end of the second object. Total four feasible solutions: 0 0, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, comma 5. At the end of second object, we have total four feasible solutions. So these four feasible solutions will be stored in the table for further use. No need to move the first object and second object at the end of the second object. So all possible or feasible solutions are available at 0 0, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Total possible ways. That means at the second object, end of the second object, total four feasible solutions are available. And that means chances we have to use to solve that problem by picking the corresponding items. So I have to focus on the third object. Third object is profit is 5 and corresponding weight is 4. Profit is 5 and corresponding weight is 4. So these are all the three feasible solutions. These are all the four feasible solutions from the end of the second object. So for on that, again, so there is a chance to picking up third object, either including or not including. Either including or not. If including, what is the value? If not including, what is the value? If not including, that is on second object, 0 means not including, then I will get the same values. That means previous value will be continued for the next step. If including, what will happen? If including the third object on 0 0, that is a directly 5 comma 4. 1 2, that means 5 comma 4, 1 comma 2 means 6 comma 6. 2 comma 3, 5 comma 4, that is 7 comma 7. 3 comma 5, 5 comma 4. Then I will get 8 comma 9. So by combining these two values, I will get this total 8 feasible solutions. 8 feasible solutions. So 8 feasible solution means total values are total objects are possible included. Possible values are included. But here we need to check what are the feasible solutions that satisfy the criteria function or objective function. So that is, check this one. These are all the 8 feasible solutions are available here. Feasible solution. So from this, so according the fudging rule, 3 comma 5 is 3 comma 5 is removed. What is meant by fudging rule? Here profit is 3 and weight is 5. So with respect to 2. Here man with respect to second object, profit is 2 for 3 object. Here profit is 3 for 5 objects. But by comparing this, if you purchase 4 units of 8, you will get the profit 5. But here 5 units we sales, the profit is 3. So automatically no need to choose this option. That means 3 comma 5 will automatically eliminated from the group of solutions by using the concept of purging rules. That is, so remaining solutions are 1. So from this, what is the best feasible solution? So 8 comma 9 is 8 is the maximum profit, but the weight is exceed. There is 1. 7 comma 7, the weight is our back capacity is only 6. We remove that one. So next weight capacity is 6. So maximum profit is 6. So this is a feasible solution. That's for the criteria function as well as the constraints with respect to and profit. So this is the best solution. In this solution, I have to choose the which object suppose I have to select by using. So by using this, so here 6 comma 6 belongs to the S3. That means a solution in the S3 but not in S2. Here but not in S2. That is why X3 almost all is equal to 1. So by subtracting this one, I will get the 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 in the S2 and S1. So that means S2 X2 is equal to 0. So that similarly X1 is equal to 1. So this is the way to follow that one. So then I will go to the problem again. This is the understanding, for the understanding purpose. Just I explain this example. So that is. So this is the knapsack problem. All of you listen carefully. A knapsack problem is nothing but it is a special profit oriented to maximize oriented problem. In this number of items are there with respect to profit. Again, we have to focus on that one. So whenever we'll get the maximum profit, then it on that way to choose the best feasible solution for that one. In this, while including the objecting on that one, then we'll get the gain or value. We'll gain the profit. So this is the knapsack problem. So in this, the main point is you cannot take the any fraction value from the items. So we need to include the complete object in the knapsack, but not fractional value. So if you want, we need to include the complete object but not fractional value, which is, so you can either take or not, but not fraction value. So that is why it is simply named as the 0/1 knapsack problem. 0/1 knapsack problem. So there is no fraction value in that problem. So here in this problem, we have to use the 2 power n subsets. Every time we have to choose the one subset problem and need to satisfy the constraints with respect to criteria function. That is, so using this method, we will get the better solution with respect to brute force techniques. This is. So by including the objects in that knapsack, we have to choose the items like this: I0, I1, I2 up to I power k. So every time we will get the one item for extra that specifies the empty bag or empty item. So this is the it is a brute force method to choose the items. Suppose 4 items are there: 3, 8, 9, 8, and 10, 4, 19, 10. If capacity is 20, So different ways we choose the object to fill the knapsack problem. It is brute force method. There is no specific technique to solve this problem in these examples. To get the better profit and better benefits, we have to use the dynamic programming. That means 0 by 1 knapsack approach. That's so. But the subside, these are all the different feasible solutions. That is 9 comma 10. That means 0 like this. We have to use the different techniques to solve that problem. But with respect to these methods, 0 by 1 knapsack gives the better solutions with the minimum cost and better performance. These are all feasible solutions. I naught, I2, I3, I naught, I1 like this. So in this we have to use a special technique, that is, I will explain this one. Every time we need to check the objects with respect to previous one value. Suppose if you include the object, whether it is the weight is exceed the limit or not. Suppose whenever the value is exceed the limit, automatically we can't include that object into that one. If you not exceeds, automatically we include that object into the bag and corresponding profit will be added to that previous value. That is why. So BKW is equal to BK minus 1 comma W means every time you need to check this one. This is every time. Every time we have to choose the better object selection with respect to. So this is the previous value. This is the adding value. So this is the previous value. This is the adding value. Here, whenever we add the new object into the solution, we have to add the profit to that one with respect to checking the constraints of the weight W minus leakage is nothing but bag capacity. If cannot exceed that limit, then automatically we add that value and corresponding profit will be added to the previous profit value. That is, this is the basic formula to solve 0 by 1 knapsack. That is, every time SK is nothing but a subset problem. Every time we have need to pick the one subset problem. That one is. So this is the formula for that one. This is the formula for the profit for the knapsack problem. It include the profit of previous value with respect to weight. Every time including object weight greater than or equal W. Otherwise it is not including. Whenever we include that object, the corresponding benefit will be added to the corresponding subset solution. At the time, we'll get the better solution. So every time we need to check the profit whether it is satisfy the constraints or not. This is the algorithm tracing problem. First, we need to check the including object capacity with respect to available capacity. So in the previous class, I already explained to you, in the dynamic programming, we have to follow the divide and conquer approach. That means each problem is divided into sub problems until you get the atomic problem. So each time we need to check the capacity of bag while including the objects. Suppose if WK greater than equal W means the object is unable to fit. The available weight is W, including object weight is K. So it is not feasible. Why? Because the corresponding object weight is more than that of object. So that is not possible to include that one. So always you need to check this one. The including object weight is less than or equal to the available weight. So if available weight is less than or equal to including object weight, automatically it can able to include that object into the corresponding bag. At the time only you can able to include that one into bag. So that is a feasible solution that satisfies the constraints. So this is the algorithm. Initially we need to initialize the all values corresponding objects. So like this. Next, these are the constraints. These are the internal constraints. Every time I need to check the bag value, include object value, and whether it satisfies the constraints or not. Whenever it satisfies the constraints, the corresponding object will be included. Otherwise, that will be removed. So this is the basic algorithm. So this is the constraints for checking whether cursor including object is supported to include the object or not. That is, take one example. It is very important. Srikar, are you there?
Sir, una.
The problem solve Gemma. I will give the stance.
Okay, sir.
Number of items are
Number of items are 4, sir.
back capacity.
Sir. Weight capacity is 5, sir.
Elements
2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5, 6, sir.
these are all 4 sets of items are available. So according the dynamic programming rule and first we need to construct one table for the further use, right?
Yes, sir.
Initial value ఎలా తీసుకున్నావు చూడు. Suppose if you have 4 objects are there, right?
Yes, sir.
These 4. This is items.
Yes, sir.
Weights ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 5.
5 ఉన్నాయి, sir.
So I need to convert 5 parts. మరి 6 ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నారు? This one is 6th one, right?
Yes, sir.
That means not including case is the 6th case. So that is why I already said if k items are there, k plus 1 positions need to divide, right?
Yes, sir.
Initially weights are no object inserted into the bag. Initial bag is
0, sir.
empty, right?
Yes, sir.
Object includes
Sir.
initially no object included.
Yes, sir.
So empty bag, empty weights.
Yes,
So
sir.
next, so this is next. These are all given.
Condition, sir.
These are all given. 4 objects are available, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. So that means this is the one weight up to this 2 units weight. This 3rd, 4th, 5th unit. That means the weights are cutting 1 kg like. Bag capacity is 5 kgs, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. ఇప్పటివరకు ఏమైనా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యారా?
Yes, late,
No.
sir.
Now I have to choose the first object, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Include the first object. So this first object may include or may not include into the bag.
Yes, sir.
Two possibilities are there, right?
Yes, sir.
This is item 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear in the
Clear గానే ఉంది, sir.
weight 1 ఎంత? This is the profit value 1. P comma W sorry, weight comma W కదా ratio. This is the weight, 2 is the weight, 3 is the profit. Weight is
3,4. Sir, 2, sir.
first object. No operation going on first object only.
Okay, sir.
Next,
Next.
W is equal to weight, this position.
Yes, sir.
So for this position the object available weight is 2, item weight is 2.
Yes, sir.
ఈ బ్యాగ్ ఇలా చేసే చూడండి. 1 2 3 4 5. This is up to 1, this is up to 2, this is up to 3, this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Up to 4, like. So I need to check the condition whether this part is supported to weight or not.
Yes, sir.
W minus W1 is equal to -1. That means 1 minus 2 is equal to -1. In this position, object is not included. Okay, that is the condition. Here the condition is fail. Why? Because here the back capacity is only 1 kg, that part, but I have 2 kgs. So that is why I need to include the 2 parts. I need to connect these 2 parts. Shrikar, are you confusing, right?
లేదు సార్ క్లియర్గానే ఉంది.
ఎక్కడ క్లియర్గా ఉంది? ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్తా చూడు. ఈ పార్ట్ లో ఒక్కటే బ్యాగ్ ఉంది. ఈ బ్యాగ్ ఎంత? కెపాసిటీ 0, రైట్? ఈ బ్యాగ్ కెపాసిటీ
1 సార్.
1. ఈ బ్యాగ్ కెపాసిటీ
2 సార్.
2. ఈ బ్యాగ్ కెపాసిటీ
3 సార్.
ఈ బ్యాగ్ 4, రైట్?
ఎస్ సార్.
అంటే ఇన్ని పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. డైనమిక్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అన్నట్టునే ఉంటుంది, డిఫరెంట్ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉంటాయి. సో మనం ఏం చేసాం, ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ చెక్ చేసాం, రైట్?
అవును సార్.
ఇది ఆల్రెడీ ఓకే. ఇది ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ. ఫస్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఏంటి? 1 ఉంది. ఇదేగా వెయిట్.
సార్ అవును.
మన కాడ వెయిట్ ఎంత? ఐటమ్ వెయిట్ ఎంత?
2 సార్.
థర్డ్ పాసిబుల్ కదా?
అవును సార్.
Yes, same part will be imported, not including that object. So next I have to choose the remaining possibilities. In the second bag, it means weight is 2. Simply, next I have to focus on the second part, this bag.
Yes sir.
So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So appudu next time profit ఎంత ఉంటది?
0 sir.
Profit ఎంత ఉంటది? That means W minus WA means that the first object is included into the bag.
అవును సార్.
Whenever include that object into the bag, the corresponding profit will be gained.
1 అయితే 1 సార్ ప్రాఫిట్.
Profit ఎంత మీది?
1 సార్.
3 కదా? 2,3 కదా మంది?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇది కదా ప్రాఫిట్.
ఎస్ సార్.
3. ఎందుకు 0 నుంచి వచ్చింది అది?
తెలియదు సార్.
అంటే ఎంటీ బ్యాగ్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసాం. దట్ ఈస్ ఎంటీ బ్యాగ్ రూల్.
ఎస్ సార్.
సో ప్రాఫిట్ ఈస్ 3.
ఎస్ సార్.
క్లియర్ ఉందా? నెక్స్ట్ టేకింగ్ ద థర్డ్ object. Third bag.
Yes sir.
It is included this one. The capacity is 3. Our
Yes,
object
sir.
capacity is 2.
2 sir.
If you include that one, what is the weight remaining? Only some part is filled. So automatic profit must be
3 sir.
right. Okay. Next part, fourth
Possible sir.
right.
Next fifth possible sir.
Right.
Yes sir.
That means after ending the first object, how many feasibles are there? First check, you can able
Four,
to
sir.
into second, third, fourth, fifth and empty.
Yes sir.
Okay. Next, first object is completed.
Yes sir.
Next, the second object, 3,4. So that means you need item 2, right?
Yes sir.
Item 2. Profit is 4. Weight is this one.
Yes sir.
So next, how many possibilities are there? 1, 4, 5 possibilities are there, right?
Yes
1,
sir.
2, 3, 4, 5. So W1 is WV1. First one is
1 sir.
available weight is
3 sir.
3 minus 1, 1 minus 3 called
Minus 2 sir.
నాట్ పాసిబుల్ కదా,
Yes, sir.
రైట్ సేమ్. నెక్స్ట్ w is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 options are there, right?
Yes, sir.
w is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, not possible. That means we are not including the object on that bag. Same value will be imported.
Yes, sir.
Right? Next 3 కదా
Yes.
వచ్చేది అక్కడ.
3 years, sir.
Right. Next w is equal to
3, sir.
3 na?
Sir, 2. 3 years, sir.
3a. 3 minus 3 is equal to,
0, sir.
that means you can able to insert that object, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. ఇప్పుడు ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇన్సర్ట్ అయితే ఏమవుద్ది,
4 వస్తుంది, sir. Corresponding weight
4
వస్తుంది.
యాడ్ అవుతుంది, రైట్? కరస్పాండింగ్ ప్రాఫిట్ విల్ బి యాడెడ్ టు ద ప్రీవియస్. నీ ఫార్ములానేగా.
Yes, sir.
ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఎంత,
3, sir.
న్యూ ప్రాఫిట్ ఎంత,
4, sir.
మొత్తం ఎంత టోటల్?
7, sir.
ఎంత 4 వచ్చిందండి?
Sir,
ఎస్ శేఖర్.
ప్రీవియస్ దానిలో సార్ ఈచ్ టెస్ట్ కేస్కి మనం చేంజ్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్, ఫస్ట్ నుంచి తీసుకుంటాం.
నేను చెప్తా అది అందుకు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాను, నేను చెప్తానండి. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఆల్రెడీ బ్యాగ్లో ఎంత వెయిట్ ఇంక్లూడ్ చేస్తున్నావు?
3, సార్.
అంటే 3 ఉంది, రైట్? ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు న్యూలీ సెలెక్టెడ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ వెయిట్ ఎంత?
4, సార్.
3.
సెలెక్ట్ వెయిట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ఓకే.
3 కదా.
అవును సార్.
ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ ఎంటీ బ్యాగ్ కూడా ఉంది కాబట్టి,
అవును సార్.
ఇఫ్ యూ ఇంక్లూడ్ ద ఎంటీ బ్యాగ్ దెన్ విల్ గెట్ ద బెనిఫిట్ 4.
అవును సార్.
ఈవెన్ ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ దాంట్లో కూడా 3 ఉంది కదా,
అవును సార్.
దట్ వన్ ఆల్సో ఇట్స్ వెయిట్ ఇస్ 2. ఐటమ్ 1 2,3.
ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్.
2,3కి ఇది కదా.
అవును సార్, అవును.
అంటే 2 ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ నువ్వు ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయట్లా, ఓన్లీ 1 ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంక్లూడ్ చేస్తున్నావు, రైట్?
అవును సార్.
సో దట్ ఈస్ బై పర్జింగ్ రూల్ దిస్ ఈస్ అప్డేటెడ్.
ఓకే.
That is. Next this one, already how much included in this?
3, sir.
How much included in this?
3, sir.
2 కదా previous గా weight ఎంత?
3, sir.
Profit is 3.
Profit is 3, weight is 2, sir.
Yes, profit is 3 and weight is
2,
2,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
సో నెక్స్ట్ 2. ఇక్కడ బ్యాగ్ ఎంత ఖాళీ ఉంది? ఇంక 2 కదా, ఆల్రెడీ 4 ఉందమ్మా. ఇది 4లో నువ్వు 2 ఫిల్ చేసావు.
అవును సార్.
నీకు ప్రాఫిట్ ఎంత వచ్చింది?
3 వచ్చింది సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ నువ్వు ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ సెకండ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంక్లూడ్ చేయాలి. యూ వాంట్ ఇంక్లూడ్ ద సెకండ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఫిల్డ్, అనేబుల్ టు ఎంటర్ ద కంప్లీట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్.
ఎస్ సార్.
సో అప్పుడేం చేయాలి? నువ్వు either 3 కానీ 2 కానీ తీసుకోవాలి.
అవును సార్.
ఎస్. సో సింప్లీ అవాయిడ్ ద 3 అండ్ ఇంక్లూడ్ ద థర్డ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ బై పర్జింగ్ రూల్.
ఓకే. 5 అవుతుంది కదా సార్ అప్పుడు?
ఎందుకు అవుతుంది? 2 తీసేసి 3 ఇంక్లూడ్ అవుతే ఏమవుద్ది? 3 అవుద్దిగా.
3.
వీఆర్ రిమూవింగ్ ద 2 అండ్ యాడింగ్ ద 3.
ఎస్ సార్, అర్థమైంది.
ప్రాఫిట్ ఈస్
4.
సో టేక్ ద ఫిఫ్త్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఇచ్చప్ప ఇందులో ఎంటీ ఎంత? వాట్ ఇస్ ద కెపాసిటీ? ఆల్రెడీ ఇంక్లూడెడ్ 2.
కెపాసిటీ 5 సార్. 2 ఫిల్ అయిపోయింది, ఇంకా 3 ఖాళీ ఉంటుంది.
3 ఉంది. 3 సెకండ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు ఇంక్లూడ్.
ఎస్ సార్.
అండ్ దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ ద ప్రాఫిట్
ఈజ్ 4 సార్.
వాడు యూజ్ చేయి.
5 sir, sorry.
ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంక్లూడ్ అయింది కదమ్మా.
Okay, sorry. 3 plus
ఫస్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంక్లూడ్ అయింది కాదు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కూడా కెనబుల్ ఇంక్లూడ్.
So 3 plus 4, 7 sir.
అంతేనా?
అవును sir.
Yes. Okay, next choose the third object.
Yes. 4,
By
5.
choosing the third object, 4, 5. Weight is
4 sir.
4. 1, 2, 3. These three value does not change.
Yes sir.
No logic. Because
Yes.
its capacity, its weight is 4 only na.
Yes sir.
Okay, fourth object. So the previous fourth object is by including that one, you will get the profit is, that means it's this one. The weight is 3, then you will get the 4, right?
Yes sir.
Now the third object while including third object, including weight is 4.
Yes sir.
Profit is,
5.
so which one is the best?
4 excluding the 3 and including the 4.
This is 5,
Yes sir.
right? But fifth one,
Removing the 2 and sorry.
already in
Removing
that
both
bag,
and including 4 sir.
2, 3.
Yes sir. We can
5
remove.
is enough. And weight, back of the weight also 5 kada.
అవును sir.
No, not excluding, that is.
Okay, so 7 profit table లో కిందకి వచ్చేస్తుంది సార్.
ఇది ఇక్కడ కరెక్ట్ గా వచ్చిందా 5?
Yes sir.
As same as it is.
Yes sir.
ఇంకా fifth one, while object is the fourth object, that weight is 5, doesn't affect this 4.
Yes sir.
ఎందుకంటే its back capacity 1, back capacity is 2, back capacity is 3, back capacity is 4, back capacity is, there is chance to, in case of any changes occurred on the fifth object only.
Yes sir.
So that is same.
But same వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా సార్ ఫిఫ్త్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ది కూడా.
ట్రై చేద్దాం. సో ఫిఫ్త్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ 2 plus 3
5.
ఉంది కదా మన బ్యాగ్ లో ఆల్రెడీ.
Yes sir.
ప్రాఫిట్ ఈస్ 7.
7 sir.
While including the fourth object, the profit is, weight is 5. Okay. Profit is 6. Which best?
7 sir.
That is the final.
అల్టిమేట్ గా హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూస్ ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసుకుంటాం అంతే కదా సార్.
అంతే, మనం while checking this back capacity, ultimately which one is the maximum profit, that is the including object.
Yes sir.
అంతే, అంతలో ఇంకేం లేదు. So this is the table is constructed. From that we need to construct the solution, that one which object suppose we have to include by using this formula, like in the reverse manner. Check
Yes.
this one. So this is the formula. So with zero weights and profits. It is a profit, it is a weight, profit and weight. So on that empty bag, I have to focus. That means I have to include the first object 1 comma 2. So that means on the empty bag, if I include the first object, so that will be on empty bag. Then we will get the two feasible solution. One is including, one is excluding. So like this, by combining these two, I will get the two feasible solutions. S equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2. Two possibilities are there. So while this is the end of the first unit, first object, I will get the two possibilities. After that, I have to focus on the second object. The second object also, on the second object also, I have to perform two operations while including the second object, but not including in the second object. So on the first object. So that means at the end of the second object, I will get the total four feasible solutions. That is 0, 0, 1, comma 2, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 5. So this is the way by combining this on four possibilities. I have to choose the third object. At the end of the third object, I will get the total 8 feasible solutions. From that feasible solutions, I have to remove the some selected feasible solutions by applying the purging rule. That means here the purging rule is applied. Suppose that if sales 4 object, I will get the 5 units of benefits by comparing these two. Here if I sell 5 units only, I gain 3 units only. So by comparing this one, 3 comma 5 is removed by using rule of the purging rule. Purging, the purging rule. So remaining objects are, these are all. There are 7 feasible solutions are there. From this, I have need to choose the maximum profit object with respect to that one. This is 8 comma 8 maximum profit, but gain that one. 9 is the complete weight, it is exceed the limit, that is why remove that one. 7 comma shall remove that one. Remaining value 6 comma 6 is the maximum profit value tuple. From that I have to choose that one. 6 comma 6 is available at S3. This is the S3 by combining that one. This is 6 comma 6 is there. So that is S3 and but not available in S2. So S3 value is 1. X3 value is 1. So that is why according the solution backtracking method, I have to remove that one. I will get the 1 comma 2 which is available 1 comma S2 comma S1 S2 comma S1. So S2 is not X2 is not available at S2. So that is X2 is equal 0. So that one belongs to S1. That means X1 is equal to 1. So final solution is 101 method with the profit of 6. So this is the dynamic programming knapsacking method. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Anybody have doubts? అమ్మా ఇది నాప్సాక్ అయిపోయింది ఇంకా 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అన్ని కూడా కొద్దిగా లిటిల్ బిట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయ్యాయి బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బెటర్ టు concentrate on that problems. Only 5 problems in the dynamic programming. One is the simplest method is knapsack problem, remaining OBST, and 2 more are there. The reliability redesign and all for a shortest path. Any doubts? Please respond to roll numbers.